your home with upkeep. Keep up your home with upkeep. Keep up your home with upkeep, and you'll have a happy home.
Hello, welcome back to Taylor Talks. My name's Taylor and I do some talking. So today it's going to be a little shorter, but it's still important. So if you didn't know, we're Upkeep, we're a home warranty company, but we're a home warranty company with a twist. We do maintenance 4 times a year and we use our full-time professionals. But today, instead of explaining more about Upkeep, I actually want to go over some of our website testimonials. So the people who wrote these testimonials are people who are obviously very satisfied with our service and they absolutely enjoy it. So I wanted to read some of them off because these people are happy about it and I definitely want to share that. So first off, we have Amy. Amy said, Upkeep has been a huge time saver for me. Since they do quarterly maintenance, I don't have to worry about the heater not turning on as the temperature drops. I have one phone call to make if any issues arise around the house. They know the importance of quality, efficient service. And that's our main goal here at Upkeep. Our goal is to make it easier for people so they don't have to worry about all those nuances of home issues. When you have a home, obviously you're gonna have lots of home systems, HVAC, you're gonna have a few appliances here and there, you're gonna have plumbing systems and your electrical systems. And because there's so many of them, if they're not properly maintained, they can break down. And even when they're properly maintained. So it's always good to have a source to go to. And that's our goal, like I said, here at Upkeep, is to make it as easy as possible for people so you can focus on what you actually want to do and we can focus on your home maintenance. So next up, we have Nancy. Nancy said, Upkeep is awesome. My husband loves having someone come in to do the maintenance work, so he no longer needs to do it himself. Upkeep is efficient and quick with their service. The maintenance techs are very professional and we are very pleased with their service. And these are also on our website. There's 5 of them I'm going to read, so 3 more, and we are going to rotate them out. Next, we have Mindy. As a single mom of 3 kids, I love the security knowing I can budget my monthly expenses and have the dependability of knowing my home will be taken care of. The quarterly maintenance is a time saver and the security my kids will be safe. And then next up, we have Angela. I am so happy I decided to get Upkeep Home Warranty Agreement when I got my new condo. I'm the maintenance manager for our house, so I find it wonderful to have someone else not only remembering to get my HVAC service scheduled, but also doing those maintenance things that are in the appliance manuals that everyone else fails to do. Mr. Fix-It, our parent company, even went out of their way to take our shower faucet to their workshop and fix it instead of having to tear out the wall to replace the whole part. This saved us hundreds. And then finally, we have Maddie. I was a first-time home buyer, and taking care of a house for the first time was a very daunting task. Not only did Upkeep help make sure that everything was up to date on my house, but they educated me on certain problems to look for every season. I always knew who was coming to my house for my quarterly maintenance, and they're always efficient, professional. Having Upkeep for the first-time home buyers is a must. So, as you heard right there, it helps a lot of different people, whether they have a busy life, whether they are busy with their job, whether they know how to do it, or even if they're just first-time home buyers. And that is exactly what we strive for. We strive to make things easier so you don't have to worry about it. Next up, I want to talk about something else that we are doing right now. So we still have our vacation referral contest. And basically what it is, to our existing clients and realtors, if you refer us to someone and they sign up for their onboarding, which is that first appointment with us, your name, so the person who does the referring, their name will go into a drawing for a free vacation. So the drawing is going to be, this quarter is January 1st to March 31st. So if you referred us in that time, your name will be in the drawing. So if you do it one time, refer us one time and they sign up, that's 1 entry. If you do it 20 times, that's 20 entries. So make sure you get referring. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. And that's all I got for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for hopping on and have a fantastic day.